Hi, to set an alarm on your Google Pixel Watch 3, all you have to do is press this crown to open list of apps. And now just tap on alarm. After that, we can set it up by tapping this plus. And now we need to select hour by rotating the crown. And then you can tap on minutes and adjust it as well. Then tap on this check mark and alarm will be immediately added to your alarms list. But we can select it once more. And now we can set repeat, for example, on Monday, Tuesday, so on work days. And tap this check mark to confirm. Also, we can enable vibration and sound. If you can see the switchers are orange, then those features are turned on. To turn off, just tap it like that. Now we disable sound. Here you can also edit time and delete this alarm if needed. But to save changes, just swipe right to go back. And if needed, you can add new one by tapping plus as well. And this is how this list will look. To manually turn off alarm but not delete, just tap on the switcher near it and now it is turned off. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.